If you're working with a chainsaw, wearing proper safety gear isn't optional, it's essential. In this video, we'll review the top 5 chainsaw chaps that offer outstanding protection and comfort. First on the list is the Husqvarna Technical Apron Wrap Chainsaw Chaps, one of the most trusted names in the industry. These chaps feature 5 layers of tech warp protective material designed to instantly clog and stop a chainsaw upon contact, dramatically reducing the risk of injury. The outer shell is made of durable 1000 denier polyester, with a PVC coating for added resistance against moisture, oil, and abrasion. Designed with a full wrap around the calves, they provide more coverage than standard apron styles. Reflective leg stripes improve visibility in low-light conditions, and integrated gear pockets offer convenient storage. Whether you're a professional arborist or a serious DIYer, these chaps are designed to meet OSHA, UL, and ASTM safety standards, while offering superior comfort and protection in all weather conditions. Next, we have the Oregon Protective Chainsaw Chaps, a high-value choice that doesn't compromise on safety. These apron-style chaps come with 8 layers of breathable warp-knit material and a rugged 600D Oxford outer shell. They're UL certified, machine washable, and fit waist sizes up to 46 inches, making them a versatile option for most users. The adjustable belt and leg straps make them easy to wear over work clothes, and the lightweight design helps keep you cool even during summer cutting sessions. These chaps are great for casual chainsaw users, homeowners, and part-time loggers who want dependable protection without spending a fortune. Third is the Oregon Professional Full Wrap Chainsaw Chaps, ideal for users who demand maximum coverage. These chaps extend protective material around the entire lower leg, making them especially useful for jobs that involve working in brush, kneeling frequently, or using high-powered saws. Like the other Oregon model, they feature an 8-layer protective system and a tough outer shell, but the added wraparound protection gives you peace of mind during intense logging tasks. They're UL compliant and come with quick-release buckles for convenience. If you're operating in dense woods or on rugged terrain where one wrong move could cause serious injury, these chaps are worth the investment. Our fourth recommendation is the Forester Chainsaw Chaps for Men, a popular pick among hobbyists and occasional users. These Class B apron-style chaps provide 8 layers of protection and are known for their lightweight, breathable design. One feature that stands out is the camouflage-patterned outer shell, which appeals to outdoorsmen and hunters. They also include a handy gear pocket for small tools or gloves. While not as feature-rich as professional-grade models, these chaps meet OSHA regulations and are a smart choice for occasional use, especially in hot or humid climates where comfort is critical. Finally, we have the Notch Standard Chainsaw Chaps, a streamlined option known for simplicity and ease of use. These apron-style chaps use a 5-layer protective material and feature adjustable straps for a secure fit. They're lightweight, easy to put on, and provide essential protection for the front of your legs, making them a good entry-level option for anyone new to chainsaw work or using lower-powered saws. Although they don't offer full leg wrap, they are compliant with safety regulations and are a great pick for basic tree trimming, brush clearing, or occasional storm cleanup.